Guys, good evening. Welcome back to a week in my life. Yesterday was a very sad day. I did not feel like doing anything. So my friend called me and he was like, come down in 20 minutes, I'm coming to pick you up and we are going somewhere. I don't even know, like I might be overdressed, but it's okay to be overdressed. Underdressed nahi hona chahiye. While going down, I saw there are so many people in my building. COVID alert, COVID. Why are you judging the pizza so much?
It's too fat. Too much oil. In a pizza mustn't be oil. Mustn't. It's forbidden. You can't input that. Sometimes some olive oil, but just a line. For example, sometimes with some hot chili pepper. That's okay.
He's clearly not like this, guys. When I go to Italy, I'm also going to judge butter chicken. For real. This is not fair, yaar. What is this?
Indian pizza. That's okay. Nice.
Hi guys, good evening. I am going to watch the Formula 1 movie right now. And I have not been excited so much to watch a movie in the theatre. Okay, I'm lying. I've been excited to watch a lot of movies in the theatre, but I'm very excited for this one because this one is personal. I am not going to like the movie if Max Verstappen does not win. I went through hell yesterday. I watched the F1 movie yesterday. We reached 15 minutes late, so that was a bummer. But I'm going now to meet the podcast boys of Project Podium, where we discuss Formula 1 and a lot of new things is coming up actually, so we are going to discuss that. And then on the weekend I'm going out of town again because I find Bombay very depressing. Hi Sahil, you're meeting me after 1 month. Sharam aati hai?
Zara bhi.
Arey yaar, thoda to sharam rakh.
Zara bhi.
If you don't trip on Farah and Dilip, I don't know what you're doing. So we are back to watching Traitors. Call me cringe, call me why are you watching Traitors, but guys, it is the most entertaining show I have watched in a very long time. It's like a mix of Coffee with Karan, Big Boss, Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Yeah. If the day I watch Harry Potter for you, you have to watch Keeping Up with the Kardashians for me. Done?
You watch one film, I'll watch half a season.
You know na, that the quality of Keeping Up with the Kardashians, you cannot compare Harry Potter and Kardashian. Obviously, you know that.
Yeah, obviously. I'm not even going to compare.
Yeah, but I'm very excited to show you Kardashian. Yeah. And then we can make some Kylie Jenner TikToks.
Fuck you.
My friend has promised that if I watch a Harry Potter film, he's going to watch half a season of Kardashian. He doesn't know what he signed up for. So we are definitely going to vlog that. I'm so excited. Saw this on my way to Karjat, but I don't know what to get here. So I am outside Mumbai again. I am in Karjat right now. I was actually in Pune for work, and then I finished my work and I came to Karjat to just chill, get out of Bombay. I don't like Mumbai at all. So right now I'm at my friends in the middle. They picked me up and we are going to my friend's farmhouse. We're going to chill over there for like 1 day, and then I'm going to come back to Bombay. My friends come back, let me talk about the Formula 1 movie. So the Formula 1 movie is basically about, it's a Hollywood film. It's not a documentary or based on true events. It's got like really cool car shots. I love the camera work. It's an F2 engine in a F1 designed car, so that's very cool. Brad Pitt is there in the film. Javier Bardem is there in the film, and I love Javier Bardem. So it is not like a movie that you will go and learn something. It's not like, I mean, it's an entertainment Hollywood film where there's even a love story, you know. Watch it for the entertainment purpose, for the camera, for the music, for watching it in IMAX, and it's Dolby sound, so that's also cool. So yeah, my friends are here now. I'm feeling shy. Believe it or not, we watched Traitors in Karjat. Love it. Good morning, guys. I just woke up. Obviously very tired. No one is there at home. They all left me and went out. And I have no network. So I will have to call my friends. Wow, look at this. Now you know why I like to leave Bombay and come. Just look at this yaar. Wait, I'm gonna go on the terrace where I also get network to call my friends. So hold on. Kind of life I want. This is the life I want. This. No stress only yaar. Just look at it. Just look at it. If Sanjay Kapoor can die by swallowing a bee and getting a heart attack, then I can definitely die with Final Destination. Final Destination has really ruined my generation, and I'm not feeling okay about this at all. Hi guys, I'm back home now, and it was a mad week. So I'm gonna post this video, but I'm doing some cool stuff today as well, tomorrow as well. So yeah, this week will also have something that I can show you guys. But I hope that you all enjoyed my video. I hope you all watched the Formula 1 movie also. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you very soon.